Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and welcome to 143 scale video. I know I haven't done for this stuff for a while because there's nothing has came in as of now. So if you have seen my Dagger's haul video, then you have seen what's in store for the future for 143 scale. So we have the IXO models, the Chevrolet Camaro RS-Z28 from 1972. This is like a more it's not a stock version, it's more of like a upgraded version. I think by the IXO model creators. I think that's what they did. This is officially licensed and everything, so it's there's no issues or anything about that. I've been wanting to get this model for a while now, at least more than a year, but always something else came up that I wanted even more than this, so yeah. That's the story of that, at least. So it comes in acrylic case, as you can see. Then we have these stickers on the side that are holding that part up, on. So that's that. Now we can take off the acrylic case. This can leave, and has two screws, so let's get it off. Actually, I'll take the big screwdriver for this one. There's one. I felt something fall off. I hope it was nothing from the car. Okay, so it's this piece, this here. Scared me. Okay, so I can put that away for now. There we go, that also can be put away. And here is the car itself. So it comes in orange with black stripes. We have this mirror right here. Got some interior in there also. These like racing bucket seats, that's how they look at least. Lensed headlights, nice. We also have these like lensed turning. I think these are fog lights or turning lights. I'm not fully sure. I think they're turning lights. Bumper is a separate piece. Let's get some focus, please. Come on. So we have different type of wheels. We have these more of a... Oh, look at that. We have brake discs in there. I didn't even know that they did those. Oh yeah, you can see by these little pieces that here, these gray ones, they are fixated so they would stay in. And you can see that they are standing still in there. So that's how it should be. So that is awesome. I didn't even notice that before. And we have this like drag styled spoiler in the back being held up by these metal pieces. The taillights look fine. Nothing much I can say about this car. It looks very awesome. Here's the base if you want to see the base more. As you can see, it says IXO RS-Z28. It is a plastic base. If somebody's wondering, like I haven't seen any. I think maybe Hot Wheels makes metal on metal 143 scale cars, but not IXO. At least, well, I think their trucks are doing that, but I'm not fully sure. So roll-wise, this thing, because of the lowered front, it does have a front tires are catching the fenders, the inside of the fenders, so it's not a perfect roller. I can slightly pull the tire towards myself. Yeah, it's not a perfect roller, but I think when I saw somebody else wanted to buy this in the physical shop at first, then it had some other issues I noticed, so you should be very careful with this specific model when you get it. But I've got big chunky wheels in the back, so it is more of like a drag, like a street legal drag build Camaro. So it doesn't come stock like this. Yeah, you can see the front wheel looks a bit funky, and it does get caught in the wheel well. Yeah, sadly there's nothing I can really do about that. So, but yeah, overall it's a very good looking model. So I don't want to extend this video anymore. It's not needed. So yeah, hope you liked this model's video. Leave a like if you did, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.